check out some deals in Target for September 1st through September the 7th. There's a promotion going on that if you spend $30 on select healthcare items, you get a $5 Target gift card. Well, Cora has these feminine care cotton tampons for $10.59. If you get 3 of them, that's $31.77. You get your $5 gift card, and there's $1.50 back on each on Ibotta, leaving it to be $22.27 for 3 packages, and that's like buying 2, getting 1 free. And if you read the product description, it's 100% organic cotton, and it's supposed to be better for you. And these are expensive, so if you want to try them, this is a good sale to grab them and give them a go. This is an excellent deal, especially for 70 tablets of allergy medicine. So this is the same promotion. Spend $30, get a $5 Target gift card on healthcare items. The Allegra 24-hour 70 tablet value size is $36.99. There's a $10 digital coupon in the app. Then there's $10 back on Ibotta, and then you get your $5 gift card, leaving it to be $11.99. That's less than the amount you spend on a 30 count. A 30 count is $19.99. Another way you can do the allergy or the healthcare gift card promotion is buy the Zysol allergy medicine for $19.99. The 35 tablets is a $5 digital coupon in the Target Circle app and $4 back on Ibotta. Bring it down to $10.99. Here's another scenario you can do with the spend 30, get 5. You get the Zysol at $10.99. Then you get the Allegra 24 count. There's a $5 digital coupon, $4 back on Ibotta for $4.99. So that equals $15.98. Then you get a $5 Target gift card, making them both $10.98. The Tresemme travel size shampoo and conditioners are $1.99. There's a $2 Ibotta rebate attaching, and you can get this up to 3 times, which makes them free. So I decided I was going to do the buy 3, get a $10 gift card deal. Because there's not that many coupons or Ibotta rebates, I decided to keep the items under $10. So the first one I got was these Gain fabric softener sheets for $9.99. And if you have not tried the Moonlight Breeze, you definitely need to try them. Then I got the Downy Rinse and Refresh. It was $12.99. There's a $2 digital coupon in the app, making it $10.99. And if you haven't tried this, it definitely gets any smell out of your clothes, which is awesome, and it leaves them smelling so good. And lastly, I got the 4-pack of canister Kleenexes for $9.29. So in total, I paid $30.27, and I got back a $10 Target gift card, leaving it to be $20.27 for all 3. And here are some more options. You can get the Downy scent beads for $15.99. There's a $2 coupon in the Target Circle app that applies, and these smell amazing. You could also get the 113-ounce Moonlight Breeze Gain detergent, which is another great smelling laundry detergent. That's $12.99. And then another option could be these Tide Rinse Clean Boost. I saw them on an end cap for $9.09, and they did attach to the buy 3, get a $10 gift card. So that would be $27.27 minus the $10 gift card, $17.27, which would be about $5.75 each. If I go to Target again this week, I might have to try this out. I use this product a lot. Takes the odor out of hockey equipment, any type of sports equipment, or even blankets and sheets. It's amazing. Then Purina has the Busy Bone treats on sale for $3.99. There's a $2 coupon that attaches. As you can see, this Target was out, but I did put a picture on the right. So this International Delight Cold Brew Foam Cream is $4.99. There's a $1.25 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $3.74. It applies to the pumpkin spice and the peppermint mocha. I've been wanting to try this. Also, in my Target Circle wallet, I got a spend 40, save $5 on groceries, so this applies. So this is part of that deal too, spend 40, save 5. It was $5.49 for the Hellman squeezable light mayonnaise, and I needed this product. There's a $2 Target digital coupon, so I ended up paying $3.49, plus I saved a little bit more because of that $5 discount. The Ben & Jerry's ice cream was on sale as well, 2 for $8. There's a $1 digital coupon, so I got 2 of them for $7. And as you can see on the screenshot, it also attaches to the spend 40, save $5. So I paid a little bit less than the $7. The Sun Chips were 2 for $6, so that's a great sale. They're normally almost $5 a piece. So 2 for $6, grab 2 of those, and this also counts towards the spend 40, save $5. To spend the $40, next I added in 2 boxes of these Cliff Bars. They're on sale for $5.99, so that's $11.98, and then there's $1.50 back on both on Ibotta, leaving it to be $8.98. Then to hit the $40 mark, I grabbed a 4-pack of the Espresso Caramel from Starbucks. They are $8.49. There's $3 back on Ibotta, leaving it to be $5.49 before the discount with the spend 40, save 5. Well, thank you for tuning in. That's all I have today. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to save some money at Target. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you can see the other videos that I post. Have a great day. Thank you so much.